Hello friends, how are you? Subject English, standard second. Today we are going to learn sound of I. आय या स्वराचा आवाज कसा येतो त्यासाठी आपण काही शब्द बघणार आहोत आणि त्या शब्दांचं वाचन करणार आहोत. ज्या शब्दांमध्ये आय हे अक्षर आहे. रीडिंग वर्ड्स विथ लेटर आय.
PIN pin. TIN tin. SIX 6. NIB nib. LIP lip.
Now we have to join the pictures and their names. First picture is leaf, then nib, third is tin, fourth is pin, and last one, sixth is 6. In this way we have joined all the pictures with their names. Now look here, there are some words in the basket and there are some words out of the basket. We have to join these words. Pin, tin, pin, zip, nib, tip, fit, kid, sit, pig, six, and big. In this way we have joined all the words out of the basket and the words which are in the basket. Thank you.